I think it all started with my diagnosis with diabetes that made me really want to focus. How bad is this going to get? How far am I going to be able to go and be healthy and be strong and be energetic on this medication, on the downhill journey that I'm on, instead of an uphill and more positive journey? I dieted, I worked out, I used to go to a different gym. My previous boss paid for me to have a personal trainer, but that personal trainer was more like, here's your notebook, this is the workout you're gonna do, kind of show you the samples of what I was doing that day, and then he'd walk out of the room. Where here, it's more accountability, there's more guidance, there's more conversation. And when I devoted my time and all my effort, I saw the change. And right now, my personal best is 138 pounds deadlifting. So when am I would have never been able to say that had I believed that I couldn't do it. I'm working out with 70-year-old people. I want to be that. I want to be that at 70, and I can't be strong unless I'm doing the work. And that's my truth. Physically, I am considered a non-diabetic off of medication for diabetes. Now I feel like, okay, member of the month, like, right, and I'm pretty freaking proud of it, you know. When you find your space and you find your people, it's worth it.